How to add multiple photos to WhatsApp status. To get started, first of all, open up the Photos app on your phone. Here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now select the photos you want to add to your WhatsApp status from here. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. Here, you can see all the sharing options available. Tap on WhatsApp. Now select My Status to add the pictures to your status. Then, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Here, you can add a caption if you want. After you're done, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. You have successfully shared these photos to your WhatsApp status. Now go back and open the WhatsApp application. You will then be brought to Updates. Here, you can see the status that you shared. Tap on My Status. You can now view your status as well as how many people or who viewed your status. Following these steps, you can easily add multiple photos to WhatsApp status.